You can go down. How many sheets you gonna need? You need one.
One
how
sheet will do this guy.
No, I'm talking about your doors. How tall is that right there? Is it over 24?
30. No, it's 31 inches from the ground, or 32 from the
What's
ground.
What's the opening?
But my door is gonna end up being.
Shit. Well, yeah, you can get one piece of plywood and get all of them.
No.
The plywood ain't gonna be much more than 24 inches. It ain't gonna be 24 inches once you put your shit around there.
Yeah, that will really help. Yeah, because
you don't have a piece over here that's that size?
Well, then it'll be 24 by like, and then will be a little wider. I guess.
Well, you can get two pieces out of it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's gonna be.
So you got enough.
So it'll be cheaper to build them doors.
I would just get yourself a piece of birch plywood, 1/4 inch birch.
1/4 inch.
Yeah, make it a lot easier for that guy painting and everything else.
I wonder if they sell 1/4 inch birch. I know they have
Michigan Lumber does.
Oh, Michigan Lumber. Jeez, I don't want to count with them, and they look at me like I'm an idiot when I go in there.
Well.
And all that. So.
Tell them I sent you.
Oh yeah.
Really? Hey Jack.
And then I get that guy that doesn't know you, and he looks at me like, and then it's like, oh shit, now I'm really.
When you come in that fucking door, that guy right in front of you.
There's 3 guys in that desk.
I'm talking about when you come in the side door. You come in the side door, that guy right there.
Jack sent me.
Jack sent me.
He says, which one?
He'll say, fuck you.
Yeah, exactly. Which one?
God damn, that thing's heavy.
Yeah, but yours, well, it might be a little bigger too. But more than that big old gun thing you had?
That weighs more than mine.
Really?
Oh yeah, mine's better balanced too.
That thing was that thing was huge, but then you don't have no noise, that's your noise. There's no noise. Ooh, is nothing. You just set it and forget it. I don't even know. It might not load it, but bam.
Doesn't even fucking work.
Oh, I'm not on that mode. That's why I thought I was on that.
Hey, now you got all of them.
No, yeah, from one side. No noise. No noise. And the nice thing is that it's way better than that rigid, man. None of that shit to deal with anymore, ever. Holy shit.
Well, you gotta go back
and those are
pound
2
everything
inches.
in.
All the rigid one, I still got it, and it was like way bigger. It did its job though for trim, one job, and it paid for itself. But.
Kimmy's done with chemo.
She did it. Good for her. Well, she thinks she's done. Hopefully she makes it. What is it?
My friend has been going through chemo.
Oh really?
Yeah. She just had her last treatment today.
Oh, did she alright then? Don't know yet.
How much of the top did it take out? I need a new top. Oh, it didn't take none of the top out. I need to get rid of this.
What?
The
Table?
top. Yeah, just too soft. Too soft. Not like I need to get rid of it, but the next top, we learn. We learn for the next.
You got any of the... Oh my god, you gotta get some nail file pullers.
I got a nail puller somewhere in